Welcome to our Materials Library video. I'm Charlie Becker and I'm a Business Development Representative here at Brighton Science. In this video, we'll be discussing how atmospheric plasma activates a composite surface prior to bonding, with results shown live in BConnect and BCMobile. We begin with baseline measurements on this untreated piece of composite. Our baseline measurements average around 58 degrees, showing the surface is not yet activated. Next, we apply the atmospheric plasma. On composites, this process activates it so that adhesives can bond more effectively. After treatment, the contact angle drops to about 23 degrees. That drop tells us the surface is now much more activated. You may notice some variation across the surface, which helps us understand how evenly the activation occurred. Even with that variation, the improvement is clear. BConnect and BCMobile make it easy to see when a composite surface is activated and ready for bonding.